I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Dr. Brace brand, their Elite Knee Brace with side stabilizers and Patella gel pads for maximum knee pain support and fast recovery for men and women. This product gets over 6,600 excellent customer ratings, has a 1-year replacement warranty, so if you have any issues with it, you can get a replacement within a year, which is really impressive. So there's 7 different color choices for this outer band right here you can pick, and these can be worn on the outside of your pants or right on your kneecap itself. Comes with a basic instruction manual right there telling you how to do it. You can also go online to get more information about the product. And make sure you look at the size chart because it has you measure the circumference of your above your knee. They tell you where to measure that. So that's important to get the proper fit. What's great about something like this is that I have arthritis in both my kneecaps. A lot of people do have arthritis. And a lot of the other ones I use, you have to pull on through your foot. So you have to have your shoe off. It catches your sock. This is different. This goes over your kneecap and then you adjust the straps that have Velcro on them. They also include this nice stretchable exercise piece, and they have an instructional video how you can use this on your knees to strengthen your kneecaps. That's included also for free. So this is targeted knee stabilization to get maximum relief and support. The patella gel keeps the patella from moving around, and the side stabilizers fit snugly around your knee joint, and has non-slip silicone strips and high elastic fabric to avoid sliding and tumbling. So these little side pieces right here are really important, and they flex as you walk, but they keep you having some stability. And the whole point is to stabilize the kneecap joint so that when you move, you get less of the movement of the knee joint itself. And these are comfortable for all day long use. They're lightweight and it's a breathable fabric, very easy to wash. You can hand wash it. So you can wear it all day on the outside of your pants or right on your skin. There's 360 degrees of protection on this. Adjustable straps will provide that during your daily use or during physical activities. This company also believes in providing excellent customer service 24/7. So you can contact them on the Amazon messaging system. They'll get back to you within 24 hours, any questions you might have. So I ordered 2 of these because I've got arthritis, as I mentioned, on both my knees. So I'm going to install these and try them out for a couple of days and see how what I think about them. And I'm going to point something out. The top is here. It's got the longer and slightly wider strap, so that goes on the top of your knee. So there's the left brace on, and it stays in place really nicely. And you can always just retighten those straps on there to get it just right, and it feels really good. This is nice and soft right on the kneecap joint, the patella part right there. Feels really good. And here's the right strap. And once again, it feels really good because this is kind of lining it up to the kneecap, the patella joint right there. And when I first installed it, I put it loose, then I readjusted it to get it to the right tension that made me feel comfortable. So after testing, what do I think about the Dr. Brace brand, the Elite Knee Brace with side stabilizers and the patella gel pads on there? I like this product. It helps my kneecaps and it's comfortable and easy to put on. I'm impressed with the quality of it, so I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.